Hey Sean, this is another video I'm making for you because it's been a while since the last time I made one. Well, right now I'm going to the bank, but I'm walking because my car broke. Yeah, stupid car. And I had to walk, and it's raining. But it was raining cats and dogs moments ago, but it kind of stopped raining. So I decided to go, and that luck for me that it started raining again after I had left the house. So I'm walking all wet. Well, I got my shoes wet inside. I'll probably get sick again. Well, I have to go to the bank and make some deposits for school. And wow, it's been long since the last time I walked around here. Actually, I have never walked around here. I always pass with my car. So several cars have passed by, and they have, like thrown water to me from the street. There's a McDonald's over there. I eat there almost all the time. I don't think you can see it from here. My cell phone is not that great. It's getting wet. Well, I'm really happy that you have finished school. I'm glad you attended to your last class. I read the report you wrote about the sperm donor. It was pretty interesting. I still have to walk like 300 meters left. No, how do I say that? I have to walk 300 meters further. Yeah, I guess that is. That's the place I'm going to. Look at the clouds. They're really, really low. And for showing you the clouds, I almost fall. I'm gonna have to walk around here. I've been feeling sick from my throat again. And now with this rain on me, probably I'll get sicker. Well, I'll make another video later. Right now I need to hurry. Bye.